What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tuton, and today I'm craving instant noodles. So right now I'm taking you shopping to show you my all-time favorite instant noodles. So let's go shopping. Let's go. Welcome to the kitchen. If it's your first time here, make sure you push the like button at the end of the video if you like it. Then push the subscribe button for more videos to come and ring that bell for notification, alright? And today's video is all about these babies. Let me show you. Hold on. Yeah, look, instant noodle galore. Here we have pho ball, mi lao thai, shrimp flavor. We have kung fu noodle, beef flavor. We have all type of flavors here. These are awesome right here. Instant noodle, stir fried. These are my favorite. The shrimp flavor, mamba noodle. And this right here, I will never forget it. This is how my channel started with the noodle challenge. Make sure you catch that right here. All right. So growing up with my family, always working, my parents always working, we were forced to learn how to cook for ourselves, and these instant noodles were our go-to. These are the first thing that we learned how to cook. You know, we always had hot dogs and eggs in it. So today's episode, I'm gonna teach you or show you how I do my instant noodle, how I bedazzled it, how I spiced it up to make it a different meal every time we eat the instant noodle. So let's get to cooking. Let's go. So here you go, guys. The finished product. Here is Kung Fu Noodle. This is stir-fry Indomie, eggs and bacon. And Mama Noodle. This is delicious with shrimp and eggs. Here you go, guys. This Kung Fu Noodle, beef noodle. Look at this beef. See it? With some noodles. Yeah. You get the first bite. Mmm. So good, flavorful. If you want some more spice into it, you can put sriracha into it, or fish sauce if it's not flavorful enough for you. But this is delicious to me. Here's soft boiled eggs. Man, eggs make everything look elegant. So good. Take another bite. That was beef noodle soup. This is a stir fry Indomie. Look at that, Indomie. So with some bacon and fried eggs, sunny side with a runny egg. This is Jackson's favorite noodle right here. He called it egg noodle. Delicious. It has a nice texture to it. That was Indomie noodle from Indonesia. This is Mama Noodle shrimp. Look at that. Garlic butter shrimp with some noodles here and an egg. Man, the egg goes into noodles is the best. Here we go. First bite. This is full of flavor. What I like into this is a lime, make it more zest. So squeeze some lime in there. Stir it up. That lime and the seafood flavor, man, is like heaven. Tastes way better with the lime. Tastes shrimp. Well, that right there is my favorite. Awesome. So here you go, guys. 3 different type of brand, 3 different ways of cooking it. Bedazzled it, spice it up. If you don't have shrimp, beef, or eggs, whatever you have in the fridge, throw it in there. Don't make it boring. Make it very, very interesting. Different meal every time you eat. And today, I have a special thing for you. Look what I made. T-shirts. Special thanks to Monica. Shout out. Thank you, girl. This is awesome. She designed the logo. Here you go. That's the back. This is the front. Right now, they're going for $10 a pop. All I have is size large and medium. Sorry for the extra large and large guy, triple X guys like me. So if you want one, $10 plus shipping, let me know. Well, guys, if you like the recipe today and the way I cook, please smash the like button, consider subscribing, and ring that bell for a notification, all right? I'll see you next time. Bye.